Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great week so far. Today is June the 10th of 2025. We have made it to day number 62 of our My Lead Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. Now, if you guys are new to this video, you have no idea what I'm talking about. We are grabbing one offer from Clickbank. Okay, we're using a service called My Legion Secret System. We're going to mesh those together. We're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income doing so. So I'm going to be here with you guys 365 days, okay, 1 year, to show you guys, and I'm shooting videos every single day. I'm going to show you guys the what it looks like promoting one offer from Clickbank and using the My Lead Gen Secret System. All right, it's going to be good. If you guys follow along with me, we're still new into the series. So if you guys want to go back to day number 1 of this video so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing, I would advise you to do so. Okay, let's go ahead and hop right into it. All right. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is a email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day that you come into this back office, you're going to either see 100 or 200 new leads. Okay. Now, what separates those 100 to 200 is how many accounts that you have. The cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret System doesn't let you have multiple accounts, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this link right here. You can go ahead and get signed up here. I did leave a link below this video. That's MLGS True Freedom, this tiny URL link. Go ahead and click on that. It'll take you to this page. Go ahead and get signed up today, guys. All right. There's no reason to wait. You can go back and say, go back and watch these videos and kind of see what we're doing and see if this is going to be something that's going to work for you. Okay. But I would recommend that if you're looking for extra income, if you need money for gas, groceries, paying bills and stuff like that, this will be a great addition to another income stream that you can use if you have a job or if you want to do this thing full time. Okay. So your back office, guys, is going to look exactly like this once you get started. Okay. The only thing different with your back office than mine is going to be the emails that you're sending out. And then also, obviously, your affiliate link is going to look different, but everything else is going to be the same, guys. The main tab that you're going to be using is going to be this mailing system. Okay, this mailing system is where you're going to send out your emails. Pretty much what you would do is you would come down here, you click on select all. What that does, it transfers all the emails over to the portal and it loads up your emails. Okay, so as you can see, this email that we're sending is going to go out to over 175,000 people. Okay, so it's going to go out to quite a few people. All right. Now, if you guys sent out an email in Gmail or Outlook or whatever, it's the same thing, guys. There's a subject line and there's a body. Okay. Now, right here, I've already sent out my email for the day. Now, with My Lead Gen Secret, you can send out one email every single day, every 24 hours. Okay, guys. So, for the sake of this video, I've already completed sending out my emails. I have about 8 different accounts, guys. So, I have, multiple accounts that I use, and I send out emails every single day in each one of those accounts. Takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to do so. Okay. So let's go ahead and grab the subject line. The offer that we're going to be using, okay, is called Social Sales Rep by Live Chat Jobs on Clickbank. It's in the e-business, e-marketing section, okay, in the e-business, e-marketing niche, okay. That's where you're going to go find this offer. It's one of the top offers in that niche, okay. And the reason why we're promoting that offer because it has a rebill of $28, and as an affiliate, we get to keep 75 to 85% commissions of that. So that's leaving us with a sale of $20 when someone signs up. And then also every month from here on out, that our prospect customer will get billed $20 for the program. Okay. So let's go ahead and use this offer here, guys. This is the offer that we're going to be promoting for 1 year. Now, you guys don't have to promote this same offer if you don't want. There's other offers that do work, and they all have free email swipes that you can use. Okay. So you don't actually have to do this, but this is something that I, like to do because it has a rebill and it's a pretty good rebill and it converts very well. Okay. So if you guys want to do that, you guys can do that. Okay. Now here's the email swipes. So you'll see these same email swipes, guys. And we're going to come down here and let's go ahead and grab one of these email swipes. Okay. Let's just go ahead and grab this one, email number 16. And let's go ahead and grab this subject line. Okay. Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system. Control V. Super easy to do, guys, and it takes just a few minutes. Come down here, click on perfect timing so the email goes out at the right time. Grab the body of this text, grab all of it. Underneath every email, there's going to be an affiliate link. It's going to be your personal affiliate link. All you have to do is put in your Clickbank ID. Okay, that's the only thing that you'll have to do. We're going to grab that link here in just a moment. So let's go ahead and take this. Control A, Control V. We just paste it in the body. You take out the signature. You put in your name or management, whichever one you want. Okay, you come back up here where it says hi name. You want to put in a code that translate the name into your customer's name. Okay, so whenever someone sees your email, it's going to address them by their first name. So if their first name is Jermaine, John, Jesse, whatever the name is, it is going to show up right here, guys, in the email, and it's going to be more tailored to that customer. So when they're looking at their email, they're like, "Oh man, this email is about me. This is opportunity for me, right?" So that's something that it converts very well when it comes to the customer looking at your email, all right? So everything looks good. Right here where you see these bold texts where it says like these call to action words like click here or apply now or complete this, right? We want to turn these into clickable links. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the link tab. And what we're going to do, we're going to use that same link that's underneath the email. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Control C. Let's come back over here to the mailing system and Control V, right? And you want to take this out right here, your affiliate ID. You want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID, okay? Don't put in mine, put in yours, okay? So that's how you do it, guys. Click on OK. What that does, it turns this into a clickable link, okay? Whenever our prospect is looking at our email, right? You want to go here, click on click here, and let's turn this into a clickable link. Boom, Control V, okay? And come back over here. And we want to take this out. And you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. Boom. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. And you're going to make this a little bit bigger. I like to make mine either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys think is best, okay, for your email. And everything looks good here, guys. So we are addressing our prospect by their first name. We have a call to action button at the top because it's a longer email. And then we also have one at the bottom after they read about this opportunity. It shows them the hours per week, the location, and all that good stuff. Now, just a little trick of what I do to make it more personable as well. We right here where it says location, you can work online from your country. I like to put from your home, right? So it just makes it more tailored to that person, letting them know they can work from home. Right here where it says in huge demand worldwide right now, we want to put in huge demand, let's say in your area, right? All right, perfect. So it's high demand in that in your area, wherever your customer is, okay? So it makes them think that, oh yeah, this is right in my area. There's an opportunity for me to make money, right? So we want to come down here. Now it's going to say either submit, send now or preview. What you want to do is click on preview. You want to preview the ad, preview this email. Click on these clickable links to make sure they go to your affiliate page. Okay. Make sure that they're going to this page right here. Okay. And it has your affiliate ID in it. That's very important that you preview these emails before you click send because the last thing you want to do is click send now and you go back and you preview to make sure that the emails are correct and the link is broken or you misspelled a letter or something is wrong with the link, right? And that email you wasted to all those people that could have seen your opportunity and you could have got a chance to earn some extra income, okay, with that, all right? So once you preview that, then click now, okay? Send now, okay? That email is going to go out to all of those people, and then you rinse and repeat, right? So you leave this tab open, you open up another tab, you log into your My Lead Gen secret system, and you copy and paste this email over to your other account, and you keep doing that same thing over and over to however many accounts that you decide to get, okay? So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you send out an email with multiple accounts, and that's what I do. Just leave this email tab open. I'll open up another tab, and then I'll copy and paste this over to the next account that I have, and I just keep doing that over and over and over again. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Legion secret system. It's super easy to do. Okay. If you guys wanted to get started, click the link below this video. Okay. There is a one-time charge of $60 to get started. $30 a month to keep the service. Okay, it's a no-brainer. Okay, now what you're going to get in that $30 a month that you're spending and investing in yourself, you are investing into traffic that's going to be able to stay with you. So the cool thing about this mileage and secret, like this traffic that you're paying $30 a month for, that I pay, that many others are paying for, this is traffic that belongs to us. Okay, this traffic is something that I can send out, knowing that I have prospects. Traffic. Well, one thing too. This is cold traffic. Okay, so these people got to get warmed up to you, but these are actually real people. Okay, real IP addresses. Okay, so this is going to be something that's going to stay with you guys, and you guys can keep these customers, and you can send out any opportunity that you want to send out to them. This is why I like the My Lead Gen Secret system, is because you can promote any offer that's related to making money online. And if, as long as you got a good email and the offer is good and it's appealing, the landing page, everything looks good, everything's congruent, the more than likely you're going to see progress in what you're doing. And then eventually you'll start earning that extra commission. Okay. But I'm not guaranteeing you're going to make anything, because I don't know if you're going to go out and get multiple accounts. I don't know if you're going to send out emails every day. What I can tell you, if you do exactly what I'm showing you in this video, you're going to see progress. You will make money, because if you watch this video series, I'm making money from it. Okay, guys. So there's no way I'm no different from you. Okay. I just simply saw an offer, saw a method, saw someone do something, and just duplicated what they did, right? And that's the only thing I did. Okay. So let's go ahead and head on over here to Clickbank. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's a network platform where you can go and you can promote different offers that other affiliates have made. They've created these offers, and us as affiliates, we can become affiliates for these offers, and we can earn a commission for promoting other people's products. Okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, we're just the middleman. All our job is to get the prospect over to the offer, and let that person see the offer and see if that person is interested in purchasing. Excuse me. So today, let's go ahead and check our results. Let's go over to the reporting tab here. Okay, today is the 10th. All right. So let's see. Social sales rep. Today we did get over 897 hops, 596 unique hops. What that means is these are brand new IP addresses that hit this link. Okay. So these are new people. Okay. Now, unfortunately, we didn't get any order form impressions. Okay. And then we didn't earn any sales today as well, any new trials, okay? But we did get a rebill from somewhere, okay? And we'll find out where that is in a minute. All right. Now, if you watched the video yesterday, I believe we did get a sale yesterday, okay? And we did earn a commission as well, a rebill. But today, we came in today, we didn't get any initial order form impressions and no initial sales. Excuse me, guys. Okay. So, what the whole goal here, guys, is to be getting initial sales every day and to stack up these rebills. So that's why I said the cool thing about this offer, let me go on over to it so I can show you. The cool thing about this offer, guys, is that there is a rebill that you're going to get on this offer. And let me show you. It's going to be this one right here, guys. Okay. Your prospect signs up for the dollar trial. Okay. We get paid 3 days later. Okay, we'll get $20, right? Now that $20 is going to get rebilled on the same day the next month to our prospect. And the whole idea here, guys, the whole idea is to get multiple people signing up each and every month, okay, for the program. That way they're getting billed each and every month, and we can stack these $20 payments on top of each other. All right. You see what I'm saying? So this is what's going to allow us to have these $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, and potential $100, $120 days. Okay. On up. All right. But we have to come in and we have to send out emails every single day. Okay. And you have to do this consistently for some months. Okay. And let these payments stack on top of each other. Okay. Now, I don't know how long it would take for you. Okay. Sometimes it can take, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, maybe a few months for this thing to start climbing for you. Okay. But I've noticed that's when it started happening for me, is like month 3, month 4. Before things will start to climb around 3 or 4, and you'll see. And that's why I'm shooting this video for you guys. And I made this series strictly just for you guys. Okay. This account that I have, this is a new account, right? I'm just doing this just for you guys. I have multiple ClickBank accounts that I promote other products in that I earn income with. I only created this Clickbank account just for you guys and to show you this method alone. Okay. That way you're not, I'm not, going into other programs and other methods, confusing you and showing you every little thing that you can make money with. I'm only sticking with one thing for 1 year. Okay. I'm not going to talk about any other programs. I'm not talking about no other programs. I'm just going to stick with this one, and we're going to see if we can earn income just from this one method. Okay. There's a lot of people out there that, they'll shoot videos. Okay. What I've noticed, you'll see people out there that's showing you how to make money. They'll show you how to make money, but then the next few videos, they're showing you another program, right? So yeah, you're doing this, you can make money this. Now check this out, right? I'm not going to do that, guys, because it's confusing, okay? And it's just information overload, okay? What you want to do is perfect one thing, okay? Do one thing and get that going. And once you get that going and everything's working for you and you're earning income and life is good, then you can start veering off into other opportunities, okay? So this is something that I'm just going to show you guys. You got my word that I'm not going to talk about any other programs or put you on any other programs, during this during this challenge. Okay, for 365 days, I'm not going to talk about other methods and get you to sign up for other programs that I'm a part of. This is one method, and it's going to be up to you to decide if you want to do it. Okay. So that's what it is, guys. Let's go ahead and find out where this sale came from because I'm curious. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here. Well, we already got the tab up here. And let's go ahead and go over here. Let's go back here to the dashboard. All right. So let's go ahead and find out where this sale came from today. This is a rebill of $20. We did get a rebill yesterday, but it's from an email that we had from a few days ago. Let's find out where today's came from. So let's go ahead and click here. All right. Okay. So now I see, guys. So today is June the 10th. This sale came from May the 10th. So this came from last month. This is a rebill from last month. All right. This is exactly what I was telling you guys. Okay. You do the work one time, right? You get to sign up one time and you get paid over and over and over again. Okay. This just happened a few days ago, if I'm not mistaken. One of these videos that I shot. Okay. That we just got a rebill, which was recently that we got a rebill from back in April. Okay. So if you guys can see the power of this method, guys, this is what I'm talking about. This came from last month, right? It's June. We're in June. That person got rebilled for the program. They're making money. They're enjoying the program and they're sticking with it, right? So as long as they stick with it, continue working, okay, they will still can continue to get billed the $28 each month, and we will earn our commission of $20, okay? And like I said, our whole goal here is to get multiple people signing up every day or every other day, and we're getting rebills on top of rebills every single month. Okay, right now we have made it to let's see, we passed the 60-day mark. Okay, so let's see here. We are on day number 62. So we're actually in that third month, right? Heading on to the next 90 days, right? So once we hit 90 days, we'll be at the end of the third month. But right now, we're in the beginning of the third month. We're going to start seeing those rebills start to climb. Okay. So month 4, 5, 6, all of those rebills are going to start adding up and we're going to start having bigger days. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna leave this video on that note. I just wanted to show you how to send out an email in the system. Okay, I wanted to show you how easy it is to do so, and I wanted to show you the results that we got from today, which is the 10th. We did earn a commission today, or earn a rebill. Unfortunately, we didn't get any new trial signups. Okay, and that's really kind of what I'm looking for. The rebills are great. Okay, but I want these coming in every day is what is my goal. Okay, so that's what we want, right? But right now, we're not getting them every day, which is no biggie. Okay, we're going to still keep grinding. We're going to still keep sending out emails every day. We're going to let these $20 stack up every single day, or every time that person, whoever signed up, signed up. We want those. We want to see those rebills coming in every single day or every other day. All right. So I'm gonna end this video on that note. I will come back here tomorrow. I'm gonna see you guys here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys.